Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to install games on GOG Galaxy 2.0. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To install games on GOG Galaxy, you can't follow these steps. Firstly, go to GOG Galaxy website and make sure you are logged in with your credentials. Now, go to the games list on the left sidebar, click on the title you wish to install, and click the install button on top of the page. Pick the directory you want to install your game to. The install button will change to display the installation process. And that's how to install games on GOG Galaxy 2.0. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.